day. No energy for it. Let's have a little look over here. To come back well and truly. Excuse me, is this a gym here? Have a little look around.
Yeah, of course, mate. Our sign's not up yet, so everyone keeps walking.
Yeah, I heard the music. I was like, what?
Yeah, how you doing, mate? Right.
Sound? Oh,
Right.
okay.
Yeah, so
How long's it been open? Fairly new. I've seen this.
Monday, pretty much. So it's first main week. So we're just getting in. It was still like a bit of work in progress. We're on the car park doing bits of bobs, but
Cool. How much is it to join?
so depending on what sort of membership you're looking for, we
Is it like a monthly or?
so monthly now we've got an offer at the moment. It's £20 a month for direct debit. It goes to £25 from next month, but that's the year around, which gets you full access to the main gym. We also run classes, which is on a separate Facebook page. So we do like Thai boxes, spinning.
Is that different places? Is it?
Sorry, no, that's here. That's there.
Oh, great. Then let's have a look around.
We do actually have a fully private women's gym.
Oh, that's
Completely private women's.
just women's this.
Just women's for
Unless there's
9
classes.
to 5, and then before 9 and after 5 we'll do classes. So men and women.
Sound that. It's really close to where I am as well. So yeah. Gonna get some breakfast. Come back. We'll work on.
Open a week.
Yeah.
Then we're going into from next week 8:30 to 8:30 Monday to Friday. 10 to 4 Saturday.
Nice one.
Alright, nice to meet you, mate. Good to see you.
Well, there you have it. A new gym. Exclusive. I'm starving. I've got nothing to say, to be honest with you, but let's get moving. Going to CJ's. Never been here before. I popped in, but it was closed and they turned me away, but here we go. Nice empty establishment, just what I like. But to try to use the tracking trace, it doesn't work. You just take a photo of it, do you?
Have you got the app on your phone?
Yeah.
Usually, if you just put in that video, I'll get you pen and paper and then.
Okay, thank you.
If you don't have any of it, you can. I'm just waiting for the printer to bring the rest of the forms, but
Okay.
in the meantime, as long as I've got the details, we're alright. Because I know it leaves you logged in.
Yeah.
So maybe not unless you log in somewhere else. So if you just pop, it's your name, your address, your email address, date and time.
Anything else?
Your life story. No, it's just, and I'll be with you in a minute. Do you want a hot drink while you're choosing?
Can I have a coffee and a full English? That's what I'll
What size English?
I'll go for medium, you know, it seems pretty stacked in all fairness. Medium.
Yeah, brilliant. Is it a normal coffee or an upgrade to a cappuccino?
I'll go for a normal coffee to
Yeah.
start with.
I'll do your drink and then I'll start your breakfast.
Thank you. Yo, big man. Need a haircut tonight. Can you do it? Beard as well.
Yeah. like 5, 7 o'clock, something like that. People do there.
What we talking?
Sorted, I'll be getting
What we talking?
10 spots. What are you getting done?
Beard and hair.
What are you getting done to the beard?
Styled, mate.
Not too bad. 12 quid.
Fair price. I was going to have to haggle you there, but you've came in low and I'm happy with that, so.
Isn't it?
Alright, mate.
When time back.
In a bit.
$100.
In a bit. Well, you. Yeah. All day breakfast, children's breakfast, small breakfast, 350, 4 quid, medium breakfast 5, large 6, small chips to make it a brunch, pounds as well, so it's a bit weird. It's a loads, it's a loads. True to their word, free Wi-Fi for customers only, not the kids outside. Can't reveal the code, but they kept up with that end of the bottom.